Today I want to show you more in detail my biomass pyrolysis reactor. So I start from the bottom here, where you have the heating element. The heating element is made from nichrome wire. You have some plate I weld on the propane tank here. In this plate I made some hole, is 1 inch hole, and I put some clay around it. So it's the purpose of this is to electrically insulate the wire from the tank. The wire go around all the tank here, and the connection is made from here on a copper wire here, going through this piece of clay and just going out from here. From here I'm plug a wire that where the power come from house outlet, 120 volt. The gauge of the wire here is 21. It's draw 12 amps. If you going up, you can see the inside of the reactor. To make everything airtight, I'm using Teflon tape, not the one for water pipe, but the one, the yellow one for the gas pipe. It support more heat and is more chemical resistant. After that, here I have the lid with metal pipe with a valve. The purpose of this valve is to lift it open at the beginning of the process to lift the water vapor going out. Here you have barbecue thermometers. I bought from Amazon, like you can see here. The lid is placed on top of this, like this. It's not easy with just one hand, but you have a key here to place the lid at the same place every time. When the bottle is get hot enough, the gas go from the inside. The gas flow go in this pipe and start to just go around, travel around this cones like this, and this make the heavier particle just go in the first jar here, and the lightest gases continue to go up, just like going from the side here and go up in the middle in this pipe, because this pipe going like just here like that. So it's going up like this in this pipe, continue in this copper coil. Is a 20 feet copper coil made of 3/8 of an inch copper pipe. Here is going down and start to condensate, and all condensate gases into liquid drip in this jar, and all remain gases not condensate at room temperature continue here and just going out from this tube with a little hole here. Going over this pipe, I put this piece of copper with some legs to keep it apart, keep it at a good distance from the pipe. Just like any propane torch, it's draw some oxygen, some air from here, and to have a nice flame going out from the tips. And from here, in the future, my goal is to put that output under the propane tank to, when the process is going on for enough of time, I want to shut off the electric input here and hoping that I just left the process continue just with the output flame here. I hope it's strong enough for that. I want to make some improvement with this. First of all my installation, and remove here to show you how it's working. All the insulation is just close to the surface air, and all the heat is remain in the bottom of the tank. What I want to do is to make with a metal sheet, I want to just make a shell like that just push the insulation away from the tank, just from like here to the bottom, to let some heat to raise here and keep all the tank really hot, not just keeping it hot from the bottom, but all around it. Yeah, another improvement I want to make is to put a computer fan here to push or draw. I don't know in which direction I want to make it, probably going up to just follow the convection of the hot air from here, and to cool the coil more efficiently. After that, I'm probably make some other output from different place in the coil to get some some liquid at the different stage of the coil, to see what kind of liquid I can get at different temperature. It's pretty much that's it for the improvement I want to make. One of my goal here is to use the power of the sun to dry the biomass I want to put in that. Because I don't want to use all the electric power from the bottom to dry the biomass, because it's cost a lot of electricity. So it's a good I think it's a good use of the sun power to dry all the stuff before I put it in the tank. I can get a pretty result with dry enough materials. Like you can see, all the filtering part can be separate from the combustion chamber, just in case if I want to try something different from here. I don't know, probably a pipe, like just for example a pipe with a auger inside it, that push a new material continuously in continuous process, and why not this pipe can be heated by the sun, the sun concentrated with some parabolic mirror, I don't know. So that's why I can separate easily this part, just in case I want to try something new. So thanks for watching.